Hi everybody, it's Yikes, I'm a chicken mom, and look what Rooster Daddy's doing. He doesn't know I'm filming, but we're expecting a ton of snow today, and the girls haven't been out in a couple of days. So he goes out and he shovels them these paths so that they can get out into the grass. So I am going to try to pause this for a minute. Okay. So I had you on pause for a minute, but here goes Rooster Daddy. And he's got corn and scratch. We're going to see if he can get the girls to come out. Now, when I say corn, in the summertime, he buys them fresh corn on the cob. I think they get more corn on the cob than we do in the summertime. But now that it's winter, he buys them the frozen. And do you think he'll buy them the store brand? No, it's fresh like. Oh my gosh, let's see if they'll come out. They really don't like coming out when it's cold. Oh, they were all in the house. Can you hear him talking to him? You can kind of see him coming down out of the house right there. They have a little oil-filled heater in their house, and they get up in there and they stay where it's a little bit cozier. See, the door's open. I don't think they're going to come out. Well, there's one. Let's see. Let's just see. Nope. Door shut. Show's over. Anyway, but we are expecting, oh gosh, watching the news, we are expecting like 8 to 12 inches of snow here to start. Oh gosh, and within hours here it's supposed to start. So today is, let's see, today is February the 15th, 2021. So we are right up near Lake Erie, and if you see where all the snow is coming up our way today, yep, we're right in the path of all that deepness. So he's changing out their water, making sure they've got food. We've even made preparations to bring them in case we lose power, because they have a heated water source out there. And of course, you know, if that goes, they won't have water. And they have that oil-filled heater, so unfortunately, they've not really hardened off to the cold. So we've made preparations to bring them in. And we've talked about bringing them back into our bathroom where I brewed them up and just spread a big tarp, put down chips, and do what we have to do. Oh, there comes a big chicken out right now. Look. Oh, I think that's an Easter egger. I think that's an Easter egger. Oh my gosh. Anyway, on that note, I will say goodbye, and we'll see you on the other side of the snowstorm. Have a good day, everybody.